Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a customer feedback loop with SurveyMonkey step by step clearly. Start by logging into your SurveyMonkey account. If you don't have one, create an account for free. Once logged in, click on the Create Survey button. Choose a template or start from scratch based on your survey needs. Give your survey a descriptive title that reflects its purpose. Next, select the type of questions you want to include. You can choose from multiple choice, open-ended, rating scales, and more. Add questions that cover various aspects of customer experience. Ensure your questions are clear and concise for better responses. Consider using branching logic for customized question paths based on previous answers. After adding questions, preview your survey to see how it will look to respondents. Make necessary adjustments to ensure clarity and flow. Once satisfied, move to the Collect Responses section. Choose how you want to distribute your survey. You can share via email, social media, or through a link. Set a deadline for responses if needed to maintain urgency. After distribution, monitor the responses in real time. Use SurveyMonkey's analytics tools to analyze the data collected. Identify trends and insights that emerge from the feedback. Share findings with your team to ensure everyone is aligned. Develop an action plan based on the feedback received. Implement changes and improvements based on customer insights. Finally, communicate back to your customers what actions you've taken. Creating a feedback loop fosters trust and encourages ongoing dialogue. Repeat this process regularly to continuously refine your customer experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.